what's up YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with my student. We're about to take the driving test. He's about to take the driving test. We're gonna run through the test minutes before the DMV opens. The DMV opens in about 30 minutes. So we're gonna run through the test real quick. As usual, I can't tell you what location I'm at. Just know I'm in Broward County and I am in one of the locations. So now the DMV examiners are actually getting in the car, and they're gonna sit here and they're gonna ask you a few questions. They're gonna ask you, if you park facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
A little left away from towards the curb.
Left away from the curb.
Yeah, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
You want to put it in park. Then you want to lift up the handbrake, and then you want to turn off the ignition.
Okay, good. Go ahead. Do the turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. So they're going to be checking to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. So now they're going to tell you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead, reverse. And go to the left. So you're going to back out until your mirror gets to the end of the line. Looking both ways as you reverse here, because you can have cars coming from either direction. Back out all the way out till the mirror gets to the end of the line, and then turn all the way right. Keep looking back. Back up in. Just keep in mind that there are cars here, right?
Yeah.
So okay, that's good. Put it in drive. Turn all the way to the left, and then release your brake. We're gonna pull straight up there to do the 3-point turn. Straighten up on the right side here. And the examiner will be telling you step by step what to do. So you just listen and follow instruction. Alright, so we're gonna stop about here. They're gonna tell you the first thing that you're gonna do is the quick stop. So speed up to 20 miles per hour and just do a sudden stop. I'll tell you when to stop. Speed up and stop. Okay, just like that. Now they're gonna tell you the next thing is reversing in a straight line for like 30 feet. So just look behind you and just let the car roll straight back. So if you're straight here when you stop, which is the key, make sure you're straight when you stop, because it'll go straight back. So look behind you, just let go of the brakes and let it roll straight back. Make sure you're looking behind you just like you're doing. Alright, that's good enough. Stop there. Now the next thing is we're gonna do the 3-point turn. So just pull forward slightly, go more, a little bit more to the right side, and do your 3-point turn. Okay, that's good enough. 3-point turn. So you make sure you're signaling left. Go forward a little bit more. Okay, that's good enough. All the way right. When your mirror is past the middle here, the little middle, go back a little bit more, that's good. Alright, signal left again. And turn all the way left. Turn the wheel all the way before you release the brake, right? Yeah. Alright, we're going to make a right turn at the stop sign. So you make sure you come to a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your right turn. Take your time, dude, and make sure you don't end up on the right side, on the left side of the road. Make a right here. Signal. So every time they tell you to turn, you signal. If you don't signal, you're gonna lose points. You're gonna lose 4 points for every time that you should signal and you don't. Stay close to the right side here, because the next thing is you're gonna park in between these cones. So you're gonna go up and you're gonna line up your mirror with the cone. About right there. Signal left, turn all the way left. You came up a little bit much on that, but it should work. All the way left. And just go slowly into the space. Nice and easy. Alright, pull straighten the wheel. Pull straight in. Stop right there. Alright, now we're going to reverse and we're going to go to the left. So you're going to back out as soon as your mirror is past the cones. You're going to turn all the way left so we can go to the right. So look behind you. And reverse. soon as you mirror, wait until the mirror's past the curb before you turn. Past the cone, I should say. Yeah, now turn. And look behind you. Keep looking behind. Alright, that's good enough. Stop. Put it back in drive all the way to the right. And do not forget the stop sign. That's like right here. Alright, stop. 1, 2, 3. Go straight across. And just stay in your right lane because you know you're going around the corner. You got to be in the right lane just in case there's a car coming around here. They should have a space to turn without you interfering with them. Alright, go ahead. And you're going to come to the stop sign. We're going to make a complete stop at this stop sign. Stop completely. And just make sure you're doing it slow so you're in control. Alright, go ahead, make your right turn. And then we're going to make another right. This is where we go out on the road for a quick second. Everybody's asking, do you go on the road? At this DMV, you go on the road for just a second. Okay, so you're going to stop at the stop sign. We're going to make a right turn. So you stop at the stop sign, and then you creep out to where you can actually see. So go out a little bit more. Go out to where you can see down the road, like about here. You stop, and you wait for it to be completely clear. So after this truck, you're going to go ahead and make your right turn. Go ahead. And you're going back to your right lane. Just take your time, nice and easy. Go back to the right lane, and we're making a right turn. So you signal right. The light's green, so you can just go ahead and make your right. If the light is red, you will obviously stop and wait for it to be clear before you make the right turn. Alright, go straight down, and we're getting back into the plaza. So as you can see, I mean, you're on the road, but literally on the road for less than a minute. You feel me? It's just like, boom, out the plaza, back into the plaza, make a right turn. Alright, make sure you're signaling because you don't want to lose any points for not signaling. Go ahead nice and easy around the corner. Again, slow is good because you're in control, which is a must, right? Taking a driving test, you gotta be in control. You can't just be flying, make a right, and doing foolishness. So just take your time, do it nice and easy. There's no race, there's no rush. They're not judging to see how fast you can drive. They just want to know you can do the basics. So just take your time and do it nice and slow and easy. Now we're gonna make a right turn here at the stop sign. So you're gonna come to a complete stop here. And here you can't really see much, so you keep out a little bit so you can see down the road, and then make your right turn. Alright, go ahead, right turn. And we're going to pull into one of these parking spaces straight across. And stop here. Alright, put the car in park. Alright, so how do you think you did?
I think I did great, to be honest. Yeah.
There's a lot of confidence, dude. Compared to what we were doing yesterday, you did great, for real. So even when we came this morning, you wasn't doing so good. So now you're doing good. You're ready to pass the test. So I will put in the description how much he got on this test, but I'm pretty sure he'll pass. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you guys to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. The channel is growing, but the channel is growing slow. I need help to get it to the big numbers that I believe this channel should be getting, considering how many people it is helping. I keep hearing about how helpful the channel is, so okay, help me to boost it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.